I'll show you the fastest way to detect and remove Amazon hijackers in this video. And the first thing that you want to do is have a nice little checklist. So for monitoring, right, there's two things you can do. You can do it manually or you can use a tool. Tools are obviously paid for, but they're easy to manage. And then monitoring is just doing it manually, which takes a little bit extra time, but it's free. So you can review your listing. Here's an example. So number one, you review a listing on Amazon every single day. You take a screenshot of the entire page, including the date, just to prove that you did monitor it or your employee did. And then if a hijacker is present, then you notify the infringement team immediately to report that hijacker, right? That's kind of the step-by-step process, or you have an automated tool that reviews and monitors it for you. So if you were doing it yourself, you would just go to the page, right? Take a screenshot of the entire page along with today's date, right? When you do that, you can see if there's other sellers that are selling on there. And if you and another person are verified sellers, you don't have to worry about it, but at least you have somebody monitoring it every single day manually, right? If you want to use an automated tool, you can just go to the description and then click on Helium 10. They do have a free trial for you to test it out. Then you can click sign up for free, use it for free, go to products, and then they have a tool called alerts right here. So you click on that and then you can get critical alerts. Here's what the alerts look like. It monitors all of your listings for you. Smiley face means you're winning the buy box. Sad face means you're not. And then this one means it's not being tracked, right? Or maybe you're out of stock, right? So what you can do is just make sure that all of your listings have a smiley face, right? And you can monitor it. And then they also take automated screenshots for you, right? So that way you can tell this tool is monitoring your item every single day because they're automatically taking screenshots, doing all of that fun stuff for you, which is amazing. Now, what they also do is they automatically email you. So you can see, alert, you lost the buy box. This is the easiest way to tell if there is a hijacker, right? If there's a hijacker, they're going to try to undercut you. They're going to try to make sure that you lose the buy box so they can generate sales. You can see the buy box is lost. Here's the item. And then it was the current buy box owner is Piggy Pond, right? And we want to get Piggy Pond shut off of Amazon. So automated tools are, again, the easiest, but monitoring manually is always the best way because you know it's getting done right every single time. Now, once that hijacker is found, we're going to go back to the tool or the little spreadsheet. And now we're going to verify that the hijacker is still active when it's time to report. Now, you do have to do a test purchase, which is a pain in the butt, but this is what Amazon pretty much requires now for hijackers. So you have to purchase their item, wait for it to be delivered. Once it's delivered, then you can file trademark infringement or whatever kind of infringement that you want on that offer item only, right? And then continue to monitor the situation. So, for example, if I was selling this product, so I'm going to get the ASIN right here, okay? I'm going to copy that ASIN. Now I'm going to go into Amazon and go into Google, type in brand registry Amazon right here into Google. It's going to be the second one, brandregistry.amazon.com. It's going to take you right here to brandregistry.amazon.com. You're going to do protect, report a violation, and you're going to put in that ASIN that I just showed you to copy. Click search. Now, don't report the entire listing or else you're going to remove your listing from Amazon, right? What you're going to do is just report that one seller that is hijacking your listing, which is going to be Piggy Pond. So you're just going to report them only. And then you're going to click the easiest one is going to be trademark infringement because you can just put your trademark in the title, right? Or something like that, just so Amazon sees that it's trademark infringement. Once you do that, well, actually right now you can't report it. So you have to actually say that the product or packaging has my trademark on it. That's why you're ordering the product yourself. So you click a product or its packaging has my trademark on it. Then you're going to see which one it is infringing. Have you bought the item? Click yes. put your order ID number. Again, make sure it's delivered before reporting. And now what you're going to do is just type in what the issue is. You purchased the product and verified they have your trademark on the packaging. It is trademark infringement. You're not allowing any other sellers to use your trademark. Once that's done, you click submit. Once you click submit, then it's just about monitoring the whole process. So you can go to monitor and then submission history and monitor it to get it approved. If it's not approved, Amazon will tell you why, and then you can always report it for a different reason, such as counterfeit as needed or something else. But since you did a test buy, there is a very high chance that it is going to be approved and that Hijacker is going to be removed from Amazon and then most likely suspended, which is going to be a win for you. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, monitoring, removing hijackers, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.